What's going on, guys? My name is Jennifer Altman and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be making a no sugar added high protein dinner. Okay, starting off with our ingredients, we're gonna be using ground chicken, a vegetable mix, egg wraps, spring mix, some seasoning, light mayo, and sriracha for our sauce. First, we're gonna turn the stovetop to medium heat. We're gonna use Pam spray and start cooking our ground chicken. For the seasoning, I'm just using black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and a Trader Joe's seasoning blend. I'm also adding some sriracha just to give it some heat. Then I'm gonna place the ground, I spilled it everywhere. I'm gonna add this to a food container just to put on the side because I will have leftovers of this ground chicken. And then moving on, we're going to cook up the vegetables. So same thing again with the seasoning. I'm just using the Trader Joe's seasoning mix and black pepper. Next, I'm just gonna prep this bowl with our spring mix and then moving on to our sauce. So this sauce only consists of light mayo and sriracha, and it's so good. So highly suggest if you just want a simple sauce for your dinners. Once our vegetables are cooked up, we can add some to a bowl or a dish, and then we can add our protein. Then this is where the fun happens. We are going to assemble our wraps together. So here I'm just adding some spring mix to the egg wraps. We're gonna add some veggies, some chicken, and our sauce. So I was surprised these egg wraps held very well. This was such an easy, simple, no sugar added dinner. Highly suggest if you want to switch up your healthy dinners. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, Fit Bees, peace.